this lesson I want to look at how we can add additional buttons into the group menu actions that we see on the right hand side of this group screen. Here you can see that I've navigated into the details of a dynamic group, and we have a series of actions on the right hand side. These are the new document, new task, new email, export to file and refresh. These buttons can be extended with an additional button or any number of additional buttons added into the screen. Now normally these buttons within inside system action pages would be added using a feature known as button groups. But in this case the group buttons are altered by using a menu within the system menus area. And you can see that I've navigated into the Administration, Advanced Customization, System Menus area, and I'm going to find the menu that I'm interested in, which is the Group Buttons menu. So I'm going to add in my own custom button. In this case it's called Sync, and the job of this particular button is going to call a piece of custom behavior. Now I could call either a system action, so that would be other, and then I would choose the particular system action that I wanted, or I can call an extension either using the .NET API or the COM ASP API, and that's what I'm going to do here. I've just called my little page, and this one is called test page 2.asp. And the reason that I want to call a test page is that I want to be able to talk about the context that's available to us within inside any extension of the group behavior that we carry out, and then add that. So I've added a new option into the group buttons menu, and I'll save this. And once the menu has been updated and committed into the system, I can go back now as a user into the main menu area, and within the group we now see a new sync button that is displayed. Now when you are looking at any particular group, you will have a number of different contextual items available to you, and when the button is invoked you'll see that information is available to you within the query string information that is passed to that custom behavior. That then is the idea on how we can extend the menus of individual groups. So if we return to the groups area and look at any of the groups within inside the listing, we'll see that that button is available, and the context of the group that we're in will be passed to any extension.